Exposing the secret to adding business cards to your iPhone contacts. You'll wish you knew this sooner. First up, let's use a dedicated app like CamCard or Hi Hello. 1. Download and open the app from the App Store. 1. Hold the business card in front of your camera. The app will automatically detect and scan it. 1. Review the scanned details and save it as a new contact. Easy, right? Now, if you prefer using your iPhone's built-in tools, 1. Open the Contacts app and create a new contact. 1. Take a clear photo of the business card using your camera. 1. Manually enter the details from the card into the respective fields: name, phone number, email, etc. 4. Save the contact. A couple of tips: ensure good lighting for clear photos and double-check the information for accuracy. And remember, you can save your own details as My Card in the Contacts app. There you go. Adding business cards to your iPhone contacts has never been easier.